Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. That's right. Today we're doing the first cook in that old smoking pit professional from Brinkman. That old rusty offset that I cleaned up, and I did do a little burn in on it. I've got the fire going on it right now, and thank you for all the suggestions on what to cook first. There were several people that wanted me to do chicken and a couple of steaks and several turkeys because of the time of year, right? Well, I thought, well, I could do turkey, but we're doing turkey on Thanksgiving. But, you know, hey, the girlfriend said, you should do a turkey in there. So, hey, you know what we're doing? We're doing a turkey. That's right. We're going to do a turkey in that offset. Happy girlfriend, happy life, right? Anyway, so the title of this video is a frog cut turkey is better than a spatchcock. So I've made a frog cut turkey before, so I'm just going to go real quick, show you how you cut it. Do something different. I tell you, man, I mean, I haven't been doing traditional stuff for a long time. So anyway, let's get this thing frog cut. I'm going to do it with red chili style like I did the last one. I'm going to use red chili for the binder, get it going. This is a non-traditional turkey, non-traditional cook. So let me show you again, if you haven't seen that video, how to frog cut a turkey. Okay, there's my turkey. It's thawed. I'd had it in the fridge for a few hours. I didn't get to do it overnight, but you want to kind of let the skin dry up a little bit on turkey. So if you don't remember, if you haven't seen the frog cut, well, you got to cut this skin by the legs like that, both sides. Okay, now let me turn it so you can see. Okay, so there's the turkey, and what you want to do then from here is just cut in to the turkey, both sides. Okay, just cut down, and you're going to get down here to the bones. You want to cut all the way down. Cut's pretty easy. Okay, looks like I need to cut right up this way. Okay. Yeah, looks like I cut a little low, but that's all right. I'm going to get it cut pretty far through. And then all you're going to do is take the bird, flip it this way, and lift the breast up, and then crack them down. Okay, just like that. And then you get your frog cut. Let me get it off this pan. I thought it'd be less messy if I didn't have it on the pan. All right, so you want to get that breast down like that, and that's what you end up with. Let me back it up. Looks kind of like an alien creature. The breast meat is up front. Your dark meat is all in the back, your thighs, your legs. You got your wings back here in the back part. I usually cut the wing tips off. I think I'm still gonna. Okay. Okay. Sometimes you need a bigger hammer. So I'm going to take the other side off. You do have this loose skin up here that you can just whack off. Cut that right off. You don't need it. Now on a spatchcock, you know, you gotta take the bird. It's like this. You gotta get some shears or super sharp knife, or even I've used pruning shears specific for cutting turkey, the back out, because the bone is so thick. So then you open it up this way, but when you open it up this way, breast meat, dark meat. Is that cool? All right, let me get this thing, let me cut that other wing off. I'll be right back. Cut the wing off. So I'm going to be using a jar of chili grande sauce. This is just a medium sauce. I haven't used this one before, but that's what the store had. All right, so all I'm going to do, let's not get ahead of ourselves. I want to do the bottom side first. Get a paper towel and dry off. It's been sitting, it's been dry. All right, so now I'm just gonna get some red chili in here all over. This is my binder. Okay, I've used red chili as a binder before. When I was in Albuquerque, I picked up this red chili barbecue rub. Stay with the theme, right? Now this barbecue rub has a lot of different ingredients. It's not just red chili. It's got salt, pepper, ginger, white pepper, cayenne pepper, cumin, cinnamon, paprika, red chili powder, brown sugar, mustard flour, chipotle, chili pepper, and dehydrated onion. So it's got a lot of good stuff in there. So we're just going to sprinkle this on the bottom side. Not real important on the bottom, but get that flavor in there. I have this on a rack. Hopefully this rack will be big enough for this turkey. Not quite, huh? That's all right. Turkeys are big. All right, so I'm going to get the red chili and chili rub on here, and we'll get it ready for the grill. All right, again, I'm from New Mexico. We eat a lot of red and green chili. And I've made this before. And talk about flavor. Oh, if you want to try this, I highly recommend it. All right, I'm going to get that out to that offset. I used to have a mulberry tree. I cut it down. We got some mulberry wood. And yes, you can use mulberry wood for smoking. So I'm going to let this get all heated up. And I know Dan or somebody asked me about the PitMaster IQ. It does seem to work. So I am going to hook it up. Got that covering the whole. All right, my PitMaster IQ has this thing up to 325. Let's get this open. And this turkey doesn't quite fit my little rack here, but it's going in anyway. We're going to go breast side towards the heat first, and we'll check it probably in about an hour. All right, there you go. Frog cut turkey in the smoking pit professional offset that I cleaned up and brought it back to life. All right, we're an hour in. Breast is reading at 111, so I'm going to spin this around. Okay, looks like the skin is doing good. I'm going to add some more red chili like I did the last time. PitMaster IQ is cooking perfect. Just letting it roll right along. All right, we're going to let it roll till it hits right temp, 165 in the breast and about 175 or higher in the dark meat. We'll be back. All right, we're finally done. It's been about a little over 3 hours. I put more smoke in there. Look at that. All right, I'm going to get that off. Let it rest for a few minutes and cut into it. See you inside. There it is. A lot of smoke on that. Once again, the breast in front, dark meat in the back. Cut into this. Give it a try. Get this wing off of there. Get all this juice down here. Look at all this juice. All right, cut into this breast meat. Look at that. Hope you can see that, but it is definitely juicy. It's the dark meat right there. Before we try it again, white meat, dark meat, better than a spatchcock. You got to try this. Okay, so this is why the frog cut is better than a spatchcock. You got your white meat, dark meat. Anyway, there it is. It looks really dark in the when I took a picture of it, but it's really not. So here we go. You got to try it with red chili. That red chili rub is actually pretty spicy. So if you like your turkey spicy, give it a try. I really love the dark meat. There you go. All right. You don't have to put red chili on it, but definitely try the frog cut. Frog cut, in my opinion, it looks crazy, but it cooks good. It separates the white and the dark. Better than a spatchcock. If you haven't done a frog cut yet, definitely do it with either a turkey, chicken, Cornish game hen. I've got videos on all of those. So anyway, we're gonna dig in. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if you're watching this at Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving.